Last subpoint in p block elements is group 18 elements or 18th group elements. So from here you will get 1 mark question. Now 18th group elements are also called noble gases. Generally these elements are having octet configuration, that is why these are highly stable, very least reactive. So except helium, remaining all other elements they are having octet configuration or stable electronic configuration, that is why these are generally called inert gases. Later we got to know some of the compounds of xenon and radon, that is why this name is changed as noble gases. Now what are noble gases? See, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Radon is radioactive element. Now in the disintegration of radium, we will get radon. Now here atomic numbers are 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86. Here the difference is 8. Here also 8. Next difference 18. Next 18. Last one is 32. So the general electronic configuration of group 18 elements is NS2 NP6 except helium. In helium number of electrons are 2, that is why we are writing 1s2. Neon 2s2 2p6, argon 3s2 3p6, krypton 4s2 3d10 4p6, xenon 5s2 4d10 5p6, last radon 6s2 4f14 5d10 6p6. Now except helium, for remaining all other elements, general electronic configuration is NS2 NP6. Now in s orbital number of electrons are 2, in 3 p orbitals total 6 electrons, all are paired electrons. Total number of electrons in last orbit are 8, that is why these elements belonging to 18th group. Now here all are paired electrons, octet configuration, that is why these are highly stable, that is why these are also called noble gases. Come to occurrence of all these elements. Generally in atmosphere, except radon, all the noble gases are available near about 1% by volume. Now in this 1% by volume of noble gases, major constituent is argon. Argon percentage is more here. Come to helium. The commercial source of helium is natural gas, and the special property of helium is it can be diffused through glass, rubber and plastic also. This is a special nature of helium gas. Helium and neon both are available in the radioactive materials like pitchblende, monazite. These are ores of D and A block elements, and especially in those minerals we can identify helium and neon. And xenon, radon are rarest elements. Rarely we can identify these elements. Now here already I told you, in the disintegration of radium 88-226, you are getting radon, that is 86-222 by giving helium-24. Now in this we can get radon. Now come to general properties of noble gases. So as you are moving down the group, atomic size increases. Now here electronegativity, ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy, all these values are very high, because these elements, they won't lose or gain electrons. Now here all these atoms are monoatomic gases. These elements are monoatomic gases. Because of weak dispersive forces between atoms, their boiling and melting points are very low. Remember this, dispersive forces. I'll repeat, because of weak repulsive forces between these atoms, boiling and melting points are very low. Now these are the general properties of 18th group elements.